Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's session. And as you all know, this is a sprint text series for term 2, and day by day we are discussing all the chapters. Today we are starting with one of the most demanded topic, that is surface areas and volumes. So we'll be solving some very important questions from this particular chapter of surface area and volume. So before we start the class, those students who have not subscribed to this channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video as well and share the video among all your friends. Alright, so let us start the class, and always start now, not tomorrow. Alright, so guys, this is your schedule for your sprint text series. You can see you have, this is your schedule for physics, for maths, every day at 6 o'clock. We have discussed quadratic equation, arithmetic progression, circle, construction, and some applications of trigonometry. Now we are left with surface area and volume and statistics. All right, this is your session for biology, for chemistry, for English, and for SST. Okay, bacha. Now let us start the class. So last class, if you remember, we have discussed some applications of trigonometry. Now let us look at the homework question which I gave you. So the question is, the angle of elevation of an aeroplane from a point on the ground is 45 degree. After flying for 15 seconds, the angle of elevation changes to 30 degree. So for example, guys, say at the starting, the aeroplane is making an angle of 45 degree at the starting. At the starting, the aeroplane is making an angle of 45 degree. Now after some time, the aeroplane will be at an angle of 30 degree, considering the same height. Aeroplane is flying at a constant height, so the height is constant. Say it has reached over here. All right, so this is say a point C, this is point D, this is point B, and this is point E. Okay, so here the angle in the second case, we can see the angle is given to be as 30 degrees. All right, and the height over here, AB and CD both will be equal to what? 2500 meters. All right, okay. Find the average speed of the aeroplane, and it is given clearly that time taken for the plane to travel from the point A to the point C is 15 seconds. So time taken to travel from A to C is how much? 15 seconds. You want to find out the speed of the aeroplane. I can say speed means distance upon speed. So if the time is 15 seconds to travel from A to C, if I know what is the distance AC, I can easily find out the speed. Right? I can easily find out the speed. Distance AC will be same as BD. AC and BD will be same. So let us focus on finding out BD. So first I'll say in triangle ABE. In triangle ABE, we have tan 45 degree is equal to AB upon BE. Tan 45 is equal to 1. AB is 2500 meters divided by BE. So you will be getting you will be getting BE as 2500 meters. B will be 2500 meters. Then guys, we have triangle CED. This yellow triangle CED. Here if I use tan of 30 degree, tan 30 degree will be equal to CD upon DE. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. CD is 2500 upon DE. So you have got DE is equal to 2500 into root 3 meters. Correct? Okay. So now bacha, let us discuss the distance BD. I can say the distance BD will be equal to DE minus BE, which is equal to 2500 root 3 minus 2500. This is 2500 times of root 3 minus 1. If it is BD, we know BD and AC both are equal to each other. So AC is also 2500 into root 3 minus 1. Now I can say that, sir, the speed which we wanted to find out will be equal to the distance AC divided by the time taken to go from A to C. So distance AC is 2500 times of root 3 minus 1 divided by time taken is 15 seconds. This is meter per second it will become, right? Here if you want you can cancel 5 3s are and here 500 times. So you are getting 500 times of root 3 minus 1 divided by 3 meter per second. This will be your speed. ठीक है बच्चा? This is going to be your speed 500 by 3 into root 3 minus 1 meter per second. Alright? ठीक है? Easy question है, not much difficult. Okay? Now let's move ahead with our today's topic, surface area and volume, and we'll be looking at some questions. First question beta, we have over here a solid metallic hemisphere of radius 8 cm is melted and recasted into a right circular cone of base radius 6 cm. Determine the height of the cone. So we have a hemisphere. We have a hemisphere over here of radius 8 cm. Hemisphere of radius 8 cm, and this has been recasted, or like it has been melted and recasted into a right circular cone of base radius 6 cm. So cone of base radius 6 cm, we have to find out what will be the height of the cone. Here, although it is given that the radius is 6 cm. So beta, as you all know, in this case of melting and recasting, we know volume remains same. So I'll say volume of the cone will be same as the volume of hemisphere, because when we melt it, amount of material remains same. Volume of cone will be 1 by 3 pi r square into h, which is the height of the cone, is equal to volume of hemisphere will be 2 by 3 into pi into r cube, 8 into 8 into 8. Let's do some cancellation over here beta. So this 3 to 3 got cancelled, pi to pi got cancelled. So I can say, sir, height of the cone will be equal to 2 into 8 into 8 into 8 divided by 6 into 6. So 2 3 times, and here 4 times, and here 3 times. So 8 8 is 64. 64 into 4, 128, 256. 256 by 9 centimeters. 256 by 9 centimeters, which is around 28.44 centimeters. Okay? If you'll do the decimal conversion, 28.44 divide 10. Alright, so simple concept, volume before is equal to volume after in case of casting and melting and recasting. Next question, a rectangular water tank of base 11 meter into 6 meter contains water up to a height of 5 meters. So we have a rectangular water tank, and that tank base length is given, breadth is given, height is given. So volume of water, we know what it will be. If the water in tank is transferred to the cylindrical tank of radius 3.5 centimeter, find the height of water level in the tank. So here also I'll say guys, देखो, even if we change where the water is kept, amount of water will remain same. So we'll say volume will remain same. So when volume was in the rectangular tank, the amount of water or volume of water was 11 into 6 into 5. This should be same when it is transferred to cylindrical tank, which is pi into r square. Radius is 3.5, which is 7 by 2. R square into h, pi r square h. This to this got cancelled. This will be 11 times 11 and 11 will get cancelled over here. So we'll be getting h is equal to 6 into 5 into 2 divided by 7. So h is equal to 6 5 is 30, 60 by 7 meters. 60 by 7 meters. How easy it is. Volume of water which is in the rectangular tank will be same as the volume of water in the cylindrical tank. Okay? So this will be around 8.57 you'll be getting. 7 8s are 56, then 0.4, so 7 5s are 35, remainder again, say 5 will be remainder, 7 7s are 49, 8.57 you'll be getting. Okay? Next question. A copper rod of diameter 1 centimeter. Rod is like cylindrical, you know, and length 8 centimeter is drawn into a wire of length 8 meter of uniform thickness. Find the thickness of the wire. Okay. I think here a rod of diameter 1 centimeter only it is. Okay, let's consider this as 1 centimeter. So, देखो, again here, if we are changing the shape, we are getting the amount of material does not change. As simple as that. Amount of material will remain same, and that represented by volume. So, we'll say volume of the copper rod, okay, will be same as the volume of wire. Volume of rod will make it equal to volume of wire. So volume of rod will be equal to what? Volume of rod is equal to, see, it is also a cylinder. So pi into r square. So 1 square into h is 8. And here volume of wire will be pi. There go. Here length is given 8 meter. 8 meter we will convert into centimeter. So we have r square into 8 meter in centimeter will be 800. 1 meter is 100 centimeters. So 800 centimeter. So pi to pi got cancelled. You got r square is 8 upon 800, which is 1 by 100. So if r square is 1 by 100, r will be 1 by 10 centimeters. We have kept everything in centimeters. 1 by 10 centimeter, which means what? If I multiply in centimeter, 1 by 10, 0.1 centimeter means what? 1 millimeter. 0.1 centimeter, or you can say 1 millimeter. Okay? Okay, so 1 millimeter will be your radius. Easy question. Okay? Let's move ahead, guys. Next question. What do we have over here? Water flows through a cylindrical pipe whose inner radius is 1 centimeter. So we have a pipe whose inner radius is given 1 centimeter, and water is flowing at the rate of 80 centimeter per second in an empty cylindrical tank. Now try to look at the unit of this rate. Rate is given as 80 centimeter per second. That means it is telling you this much length of water. For example, if I want to explain this to you, what it is telling you that, see, this is the pipe over here. So 80 centimeter per second means that if this pipe is completely filled, with water, so every second 80 centimeter length stuck, whatever amount of volume of water is there, that much volume has been transferred outside. That is what it is saying. Okay? So I can say water is flowing through this pipe in an empty cylindrical tank. Radius of the cylindrical tank is 40 centimeter given. What is the rise of water level in tank in half an hour? Time will matter over here. So I can say if water is flowing for half an hour. So in half an hour, how many seconds? So water is flowing for half an hour, which is 30 minutes. 30 minutes means how many seconds? So I can say 30 into 60, which is equal to 1800 seconds. Pretty easy, right? Half an hour means what? 1800 seconds. Correct, beta? Right? So for these many seconds, if the water is flowing, what will be the total rate, or how much length, for how much length of water it will be making? So length of water. Now, or I can say rate of water, we know is 80 meter per second. The rate of water is given as 80 meter per second, 80 centimeter per second. So in every second, 80 centimeter length of water from that pipe is moving out, right? So volume of water flowing through pipe, volume of water flowing through pipe will be equal to what? It will be equal to volume of water which is flowing through pipe will be equal to pi r square h. So pi r, radius of this pipe is given as 1 centimeter. So 1 square into height or the length. What will be length? The rate of water is 80 centimeter per second. And how many seconds the water is flowing? For 1800. So this is going to be your length. So we'll be getting pi into 18 8s are 144, 144 triple. This much volume of water has been flown through the water. Okay? So this is one important step. If you will look at the unit carefully, you'll get to know what is this question is telling you. Now, height of water or water level in the tank. Okay? What will be the water level in the tank? So water level or rise of water level in tank will be equal to what? So I'll say it will be we'll say कि water level in the tank is let's say height h. Now we know volume of the water in the tank or be it coming from the pipe, that is same. So I can say volume of the cylindrical tank will be pi into r. Radius of base is 40 centimeters. So pi r square into h we don't know. Make it equal to pi into 144,000. Pi to pi got cancelled. H is equal to 144,000 only as divided by 40 into 40. 2 zeros to 2 zeros got cancelled. 4 4s are 16. It will be 16 9s are 90 centimeters will be the water level. Okay? Water level will be how much? 90 centimeters. Okay, bachcho? Chalo, let's look at this question now. A factory manufactures 12 how much it is? 1,20,000 pencils daily. Okay. The pencils are cylindrical in shape, each of length 25 centimeter. Cylindrical length is given 25 centimeter. Circumference of base is 1.5 centimeter. Determine the cost of coloring the curved surface of the pencils manufactured in one day at rupees 0.05 per decimeter square. So you should know milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hectokilometer. So per decimeter square they have given. कोई बात नहीं, convert कर लेंगे. Only conversion problem. ठीक है? So CSA of one pencil will be what? Curved surface area of one pencil will be equal to what, beta? It will be equal to 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi into r. So circumference of base. Okay, so first we have to find out radius. So 2 pi r. Arey, why to find out radius? Yeah. Circumference of base means 2 pi r is given. Na? Bas, khatam. Dekho. Circumference of base 2 pi r is given as 1.5 centimeter. And length or height is 25 centimeter. So CSA of a pencil is 2 pi r into h. 2 pi r is 1.5 into h is 25. So what you will be getting? (37.5 centimeters square). This is CSA of one pencil. Alright. Now they are saying cost is rupees 0.05 per decimeter square. So you should know this thing that milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. Here meter ki place pe you can get liter also, kiloliter. You can get gram also, then kilogram. Okay? Anything. Alright. So here as you come down, multiply by 10. For example, divide by 10. Say 1 millimeter, how many centimeter? Upon 10 centimeter. Divide by 1 by 10 centimeter. When you go up, multiply with 10. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 centimeter. 1 decimeter is 10 into 10, 100 millimeter. 1 meter, 10 into 10, 100 centimeter. 1 meter is 1000 millimeter and so on. Okay? So when you go up, multiply with 10. When you come down, divide by 10. So deci to centi, if I have to go, I can say, sir, 1 decimeter, we are going up, is equal to 10 centimeter. Right? So 1 decimeter square will be how much? It will be 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter, which is equal to 1 centimeter. चलो ठीक है, इसको we'll be converting into centimeter square. So 1 decimeter square is 1 decimeter into 1 decimeter, which is 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter, or I can say this is 100 centimeter square. Correct. Now CSA of one pencil is this much, so we can say CSA of 1,20,000 pencil will be 1,20,000 into 37.5. Right? Correct. Okay. So this is the total area which needs to be painted. Now they are saying the cost. The cost is that for 100 centimeter square, the cost is rupees 0.05. So I can say the cost for 1 centimeter square will be how much? It is rupees 0.05 divided by 100. So the cost for this much, complete ye itna jo hai, whatever this multiplication will give you, this cost will be 0.05 divided by 100 into 1,20,000 into 37.5. So here I'll say ki sir ji, if I remove the decimal, there will be 2 more zeros. Total 4 zeros got cancelled with these 4 zeros. Now we are left with 5 into 12 into 37.5. 5 12 are 60 into 37.5, which will be equal to rupees 2,250. ठीक है, only calculation, बाकी like concept wise there is nothing. If there was one small little concept regarding the conversion, so that also I have taught you over here. ठीक है, so I will just highlight this part so that you get to know that how do we got that 1 decimeter square is equal to 100 centimeter square. ठीक है. So practice these conversions. Practice these conversions. All right. Clear, beta? Next. 4 markers will be going for. Find the number of metallic circular disc with 1.5 centimeter base diameter and height 0.2 centimeter to be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 centimeter and diameter 4.5 centimeter. So there are number of metallic circular disc. How many? Metallic circular disc. Disc means what? You know, not circle. Disc means they have some base as well. So number of metallic circular disc with 1.5 centimeter base diameter and height also is given. So that means they are talking about a cylinder. Okay. If we have a disc which has some height, it is cylinder. Height is 0.2 centimeter and radius, metal circular with base diameter. Sorry. Diameter is 1.5 centimeter. How many of these should be melted to form a right circular cylinder of height 10 centimeter and diameter 4.5 centimeter? So bachcho, I have told you that suppose number of metallic circular disc which needs to be melted is n. So I will say n times of volume of cylindrical disc will be equal to volume of cylinder form, new cylinder. So n times of volume of this one circular disc will be equal to what? Pi into radius 1.5 by 2 square into h is 0.2 is equal to volume of the cylinder form, new cylinder, height is 10, diameter is 4.5. So pi into 4.5 by 2 square into height is 10. Alright. So you have got n into pi into 1.5 by 2 into 1.5 by 2 into 0.2. Here we have pi into 4.5 by 2 into 4.5 by 2 into 10. देखो डायरेक्ट डोंट कैलकुलेट है, डू सिंप्लीफिकेशन. देखो पाई टू पाई गॉट कैंसिल, 2 got cancelled. So n easily we can say 4.5 into 4.5 into 10 divided by 1.5 into 1.5 into 0.2. देखो 1.5 4.5 3 times, this is 3 times. If I remove the decimal, this will become 100. 2 ones 50 times. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 50, and will be equal to 450. Number of circular discs which need to be melted will be equal to 450. ठीक है, देखो they are writing it very big, इतना तो नहीं, I have written it directly. ठीक है, all right, clear. Next one, a heap of rice is in the form of a cone. cone की form में है. heap means ढेर. Okay, make a heap like this. Diameter 9, height 3.5. Find the volume of the rice. So first thing simple, volume 1 by 3 pi into r, 9 by 2 square into h, 3.5 I can say is 7 by 2. So 22 by 7, 9 by 2 into 9 by 2, cancelled 11 times, 3 times. So 3 nines are 27 into 11. You will be getting 27 into 11 will be 7, 9 to 297, and here divide by 4. So 4 sevens are 28. Then here remainder 1. 4 fours are 16. Then remainder 1.25 here meter cube. First one easy. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? So canvas cloth required. Canvas cloth required to cover. देखो, if I have to cover the heap, obviously I will be covering it like this. So I am covering the curved surface area. It should be equal to curved surface area, which is pi r l. We don't know what is l. So what we will do? Pythagoras theorem. By I can say radius will be 4.5. Height is given. Let us find out slant height. L will be equal to square root of 4.5 whole square plus 3.5 whole square, which is equal to 4.5 whole square will be 0.25, 20.25, and this will be 12.25. So L will be equal to square root of, this is 0.50, and 20 plus 12 will be 3250. So it will be equal to 32.50. I think it will not be a square, perfect square. Square root of 32.5. चलो near value, somewhere near value, ठीक है, not a perfect value, nearly it will be equal to 5.7. You know guys, long division method for that you need to use over here. So CSA now you can get will be equal to pi into r, 9 by 2 or 4.5 into L 5.7. ठीक है, सॉल्व कर लेना. कैलकुलेशन तो कर ही लोगे over here. 4.25 I have written here. So CS will be around something over here. ठीक है. Next, how many cubic centimeters of iron is required to construct an open box whose external dimensions are 36 and 25 and 16.5 centimeter. So there is an iron, cubic centimeter of iron you require. You want to construct an open box. The box is open and external dimensions are given 36, 25 and 16.5 centimeter, provided the iron is of thickness 1.5 centimeter. If 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.5 gram, then find the weight of the box. So you'll be getting a hollow cuboidal box like this, the way I'm showing you over here. ठीक है, मतलब I know difficult to show like this. ऐसा पूरा तो नहीं दिखा पाऊंगा, बट समथिंग लाइक दिस. All right. Now suppose inside something like this it will be looking. Okay, a kind of hollow box. ठीक है, hollow box you have. So देखो, external dimensions are given 36, 25 and 16.5 centimeter. This is a hollow box, so we need to find out the internal dimension also. Hollow का volume क्या? Volume of outer minus volume of inner. So internal dimensions if you want to find out, देखो lengthwise if you will see, suppose देखो thickness यहाँ पे भी रहेगा lengthwise and thickness over here also it will be. So the inner length, small l over here, L inner will be equal to, I can say, the length of the inner one. External length is 36, external breadth is 25, external height is 16.5 centimeters. Internal length, I will say, will be whatever is your external length, from that subtract the 2 times of thickness. Why? Thickness from here and thickness from here. So 36 minus thickness is how much? 1.5 centimeter. 1.5 into 2 is 3, so 33 centimeter. Similarly breadth, internal breadth, तो breadth भी भाई देखो, thickness will be over here, thickness will be over here, breadth wise as well. So breadth of the external minus 2 times of x, the thickness. So 25 minus 2 times of 1.5, which is equal to what? 25 minus 3, 22 centimeters. Now height, if I will say, देखो, that is why I am saying reading the question is very important. Why? As it is given, we need to draw an open box. As it is given, we need to draw an open box. So in case of height, you will see कि भाई देखो, the thickness will be at the bottom, but at the top there will not be any thickness. So height of the internal one will be height of the external minus only 1 times of it. So 16.5 minus 1.5, which is 15 centimeters. So now volume of iron required will be equal to volume of this hollow box, which is open. So it will be equal to what? Volume of outer minus volume of inner. So 36 into 25 into 16.5 minus 33 into 22 into 15. Alright, simplify kar do, you will get your answer. Okay, देखो, here L minus 2x they have given, B minus 2x they have given, and height will be H minus x only because it is open. Alright, original box ka, sorry, this is the volume of the inner box. This is the volume of the outer one. Volume of outer one is over here. Subtract both, you will get your required volume. ठीक है, required volume we are getting 3960. चलो, 3960. This is 3960 centimeter cube. Now they are saying 1 cubic centimeter of iron weighs 7.5 gram. Then the weight of the box. So weight देखो, 1 centimeter cube weighs 7.5. So 3960 centimeter cube will weigh how much? Into 7.5. Multiply both. So multiplication में you will be getting 29.7. Chalo, so if you multiply this, you'll be getting 29,700 grams, which can be written as 29.7. ठीक है? All right. So this is how this question will be done. So this question is very important. अगर exam में आएगा ना, I'm telling you 90% students will make it wrong because they'll not focus over here. Open box है. So only thing is that this height only thing which is the important thing which we have is that height will be like he minus x kind. Only one time it will be subtracted. Okay, it is important. This is important. Drawing a circle. This is the mistake you should not make. All right, bacha. ठीक है, चलो. So very well done, guys. This is all in today's class. ठीक है. Thank you so much for joining the session. अच्छा, before we go ahead, guys, a very important thing to tell you all. देखो, first thing first, as you all know, you can register for Vedantu's Pro courses. Most important courses for all the grade 10 students who will be giving exam for grade 10 students, grade 10 right now, are these two courses, where you get access to grade 10 sessions also, revision sessions, and also then later you'll be giving you'll be starting early for your JEE preparation for the first 2 years, 11th and 12th, most important years, or grade 10 syllabus revision courses plus 2 years of NEET preparation as well. Whatever you want, you can click on this course. Okay, any of the link here, see, you will get the option for Drishti NEET, Drishti JEE, even 11th and 12th CBSE Commerce also is available. Okay, get started, you'll click on, you can go ahead with choosing Pro Classic, Pro Plus or Pro Lite. Important thing, beta, if you want to try it for 15 days, right now you are getting 50% off on trial period, that is for 15 days. So trial period for Pro Lite is just rupees 749.5. All right, and you can see the price for 2 years is around 58,000, which is really very low compared to any other institute you'll go anywhere outside. Okay, go for anywhere else. This is really very low. 2-year program in which you are getting the best of the teachers. This is the course for you all. If you want to get the access to the doubt solving app, go for Pro Classic, where you can ask unlimited doubts on your app, and in Pro Plus, unlimited doubt solving on the app, plus personal mentor who will be a rock solid support system for you. Any doubt you are having, be it academic, non-academic, you can always contact them. So really amazing courses for you all. Definitely go ahead, guys. Okay, and GPE Pro is your code to get 10% off. And this is all, guys, in today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session, and please don't forget to like this video before you leave. Share the video with your friends. Subscribe to this channel if you are new over here. I'll see you all in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Sayonara, Khuda Hafiz to all of you. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye.